So how do you fix the iPhone time zone problems? If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so first of all, the time zone settings can be found inside of the main settings app, where you need to tap on the general section and then just look for the date and a time. You're going to be able to see it right there. It's pretty easy to be found, right? And in there, you can turn off the set automatic time and choose to go to a different time zone entirely, right? So that's kind of how it works. Obviously, personally, I keep it turned on for the automatic selection. Therefore, when I travel or go to a different place, it just switches that time for me automatically. I don't have to worry about anything, and my phone will always display the proper time and work the way I expect it to. However, if you have some other problems, well, there might be something going on with your network or, with the location services. Because the way the automatic time works is that it somehow needs to know where you happen to be, right? So on your iPhone, make sure you go to the main settings app and find the privacy and security and make sure that you have the location services enabled. That's really important because that way your phone knows where you are physically and geographically, right? And it can then use it to just determine your time and giving all of the information, right? And also at the bottom, you can tap on the system services and ensure that the specific time zone, like there is a toggle for setting time zone, right? And you need to make sure that you have that turned on specifically because otherwise your phone will not be able to determine where you are. And last thing, of course, make sure you are connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or the cellular network. So that's how you can fix those problems. Let me know if we managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.